Hi guys, I'm Nidhi. In today's video, I'm going to show you all my Inktober sketchbook. This is the second part, and if you want to check out the first part and you haven't already watched it, click here. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and over here. I move on to the next one now. The next word was trap, and I drew Tom and Jerry over here, as you guys can see. This is Tom. He's hiding behind this sort of wall over here, and this is Jerry. He is coming out of his home, and he has this candy cane. So he's going to try to remove this cheese from the trap without getting caught in it, which Tom wants him to get caught in. So for the wall, I use this light shade of pink, as you guys can see. And for Tom, I use grey and yellow for his eyes. And I also gave his nose a glint. For Jerry, I just use pink and brown. And for I used silver glitter pen over here, and I made this sort of banner that says Tom and Jerry, and I used red and gold over here. Okay, so the next word was dizzy, and I did not get many ideas for this, but finally I got this idea from this picture I found on the internet, and it was of Pikachu, which is a character from Pokemon. And in that picture there was Pikachu who is kind of dizzy with these sort of circles over here with these stars. So for this picture I used two kinds of green, which is a darker and the lighter green. So those are the bushes, and I made trees with brown, and I made a Pikachu yellow with a brush pen, and I gave him his red over here, here and here. And I used black over here. I used black glitter pen for these stars over here, and his eyes, which are sort of swirl, and his nose that gave it that sort of shine. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I gave it this. I gave these rings color with black sketch pen, just like his ears. and the sky is blue, the same blue I used for the storm picture. The next word was coral, and I drew this. It's a underwater sort of image, and there's lots of jellyfish over here. There are 3 jellyfish, and there are fish, tiny ones over here, and there's a slightly bigger one which is yellow. I colored the whole background blue, and I colored these sort of plants over here blue too. And I made these sort of plants. I used 3 colors here, which is dark blue, a lighter blue, and then green, light green. Over here I use yellow, and the same thing for the fish over here. And I use silver over here, and the same sort of pens. I use orange and blue over here and here. I made this Nemo sort of fish, and for the jellyfish I used the light blue and whitener so they stand out. I made this tiny reef down here, coral reef. The next word was sleep, and I drew a sleeping cat. The cat is sleeping on this sort of puff sort of thing. It's like a bed for the cat, and there's this light on top over here which is on. I give the light also a glint, and it's brown and black in color. The cat is white and has a pink nose, and its sort of seat is light blue and then darker blue over here. The cat is calmly sleeping. The next word was chef, and I decided to draw the kitchen of a chef because I thought that would be a very creative sort of idea. I drew a stove over here, and these are all sort of drawers over here where he can keep his utensils and stuff. And this is a mini fridge. There's a frying pan here, a chef's hat, a few sort of pans, frying pan and stuff, and there are these spatulas over here and 2 glasses. There's some ingredients here and some plates in a cup. I used black over here for the tabletop, and the silver which I had used for this frying pan and the stove, the sort of glitter part got mixed with the black, and this is nicely shining over here. It looks pretty good. I'll move on to the next one now. This word was either RIP or RIP. I took it as RIP, and I drew this graveyard sort of scene. I made black trees with the black brush pen, and I made 2 trees. I colored this whole part black, and this is a darker grey sort of gravestone, and I made some 3 more, and I have given it sort of this landscape-ish sort of feel, and the full sky is grey in color. There are little birds or bats, I suppose, and there's this sort of witch which is flying over here, and this is the moon which is very bright. It's brightly shining over these. I wanted to make a hand coming out of one of those gravestones, but I could not do it in the end, so I decided that this much looked pretty good. Okay, I'll move on to the next one now. Okay, so the next word was dig, and I drew this dog who is digging this hole into this place. It is very green and it has lots of grass. So for this drawing, I used green, which is light green sketch pen for the ground, and I made grasses over here. For the sky, I used blue, which I also used for the coral drawing. I used yellow for the sun, and I made clouds over here. In the grass, I made these flowers, which I made with pink highlighter and green color sketch pen. For the dog, I made it spotted with black spots on it, and this hole he has dug is brown, and these are the sand which is coming out, or the rocks which are coming out. The next word was Buddy, and I drew Winnie the Pooh and Piglet, which is they are from a show called Winnie the Pooh. So for Winnie the Pooh, I used yellow, and I used yellow brush pen, and for his shirt I used red brush pen, and for Piglet I used different shades of pink. I used pink sketch, very sort of dark, sort of bold pink over here. I used a lighter one over here, and I used a color which is similar to this but a bit darker color over here. Now I wrote Winnie the Pooh and Piglet over here. Okay, so the next word was hide, and I drew these two rabbits which are hiding behind the bushes and this tree. And I've drawn this windmill sort of thing over here which is yellow and has the roof as in the red color, and it has this sort of these orange things over here, and it has a door and a window. I've colored the window blue, and I've given it this sort of glint with the whitener, and I made little paths over here, and there's these grasses, there's bush and little plants over here. There's a tree here, and I've colored the tree brown and dark green. And for the sky, I used blue brush pen, and I made the sun orange, as you guys can see. And I drew clouds over there, and the whole like the ground, I made it green in color. And I drew these two rabbits. One of them is hiding behind this tree, and the other one is hiding behind this bush. The next word was music, and I drew this gramophone over here. I found this picture on the internet, and I customized it in my own way, of course. And I colored the gramophone golden. I first drew it with a black pen, and I colored it with a golden glitter pen, and I made this sort of record thing, and I made this box brown. I did shading in places over here, and it's darker in places and lighter in places, so it looked pretty good. And I made this sort of handle thing which I think you should remove. I made music notes over here using the black glitter pen. I wrote gramophone over here with the black glitter pen, and I made this sort of surface on which it is sitting. The next word was float, and I did not have much idea what to draw. I thought of a floaty first, but then I got an even better idea, which is drawing lotuses which are floating in water. So I drew this sort of lake, and there are lotuses floating on it. There are lotuses which are bloomed and ones which are yet to bloom, like over here. And I made mountains over here, and I made 3 clouds. I even do these sort of branches by using the black glitter pen. And for the lotuses, I colored them pink, and I outlined them with pink glitter pen. And as for the leaves, I colored them dark green, and I also outlined them with green glitter pen. And I made birds over here which are flying. I made them into sort of motion, which is having the wings up and down. The next word was shoes, and first I thought of drawing clown shoes, or then I thought about drawing Cinderella shoes, but finally I decided to draw ballerina shoes, as you guys can see here. I gave it the same effect as the hope drawing, where I colored the heart rate, so it gets more emphasis. I did the same thing here, and the shoes are getting more emphasis here. So I drew these 2 legs of a ballerina, and then I drew shoes on them. I colored them the same pink as the lotuses over here, and I also outlined them with the pink glitter pen. I made this platform over here, and I made a little shadow over here using the black glitter pen. So it seems like they're standing on a surface. I didn't color the legs, as I told y'all, it gave more emphasis to the shoes, and I think this drawing came out pretty good looking. Let's move on to the next one now. Next word was ominous, and this was the first thing that I could think. I could not think of an idea for a lot of time for this one because I did not have an idea of what to draw for this. And then finally I got an idea to draw this scene, like this Harry Potter inspired drawing. This is the teacup from Harry Potter, which is when they go to the divination classroom and Harry gets this sort of cream out of his tea leaves which he drinks. And this is a scene from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. So for this drawing, this was the easiest drawing I think, because I just drew 2 circles to make it a cup, and I drew this sort of handle for holding the cup, and I drew this sort of a bull for dog sort of image, and then I used black and brown sketch pens and gave it a sort of dot. I made dots so it looks nice. I have a look here. I gave these sort of dots which made it look like the T, and this was a very easy drawing. I like drawing it. I wrote Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban down here. I'll move on to the next one now. The next word, which is the final word, was crawl. At first I thought of drawing a spider, but then I dismissed the idea and I drew this sort of turtle. It's crawling from the sand to the water. For the sand, I used yellow brush pen. I think this is the drawing which took me the least time, and I sort of did this in a hurry too, but I think it turned out pretty good. So for the water, I first outlined it with a black pen, and then I gave it blue with blue brush pens. And for the turtle, I first drew it and I gave this sort of shapes over here. I referred to a picture on the internet for drawing the turtle. For its face and legs, I used green brush pen, and for its body, I used brown, and I mixed green with brown over here, and it gave it that sort of nice look, and it turned out pretty good. As for this trail of the turtle, it's coming from this place which is further from over here. I'm not drawn that place, but he's walking from here. I made this path and I gave it sort of dots over here to signify the way his legs had moved to move that place. Okay, and I even gave it sort of dots over here. Okay, there's no more drawings because this was the last one, and that's it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.